Hello, my presentation is on bismuth by Colton Philippi. Information on bismuth, the element, is my atomic number is 83. The standard atomic weight is 208.98. The melting point is 520.7 Fahrenheit degrees. The boiling point is 2,847 degrees Fahrenheit. The natural occurrence is primordial, and the crystal structure is rhombic, as you can see in this demographic here. Physical characteristics. This is a brittle metal with a white, silver, pink hue, often shown by many colors from yellow to blue, as we can see here. This is a synthetic lab example here. It has a spiral stair-step structure, as we can see here. When burned in oxygen, bismuth burns with a blue flame and is in its oxide forms or yellow fumes. It has lower toxicity than of its neighbors like lead, and bismuth has a high electrical resistance. I put this graph in here to kind of show the phases that it goes through. As we can see here, it has many phases. Chemical characteristics. Bismuth is stable to both dry and moist air at ordinary temperatures. It reacts with fluorine to make bismuth fluoride. Bismuth dissolves in concentrated sulfuric acid to make bismuth sulfate. Bismuth dissolves in a hydrochloric acid, but only when oxygen is present. And it reacts with nitric acid to make bismuth nitrate. I thought this picture was very cool. Kind of shows all the colors there, which I thought was very interesting. Bismuthite. Category is sulfide mineral. It has a formula of Bi2S3. Color is lead gray to tin white with a yellowish tarnish, which we can see here and here. Crystal habit is slender prismatic, which we can kind of see here. The cleavage is O10 perfect. The fracture is brittle. The luster is metallic. And the streak is lead gray, which kind of confuses people when it comes to pyrite and other minerals of a similar consistency. The real-world example is that it's in cosmetics, in paints, it's in some medications, and it's in materials to withstand high temperatures like different metals. Bismuth is rarely found in its natural elemental form. Bismuth is found in bismuthite, in hydrothermal and geothermal veins. Bismuth is most common in igneous rocks, which were derived from or intruded from ancient continental crusts. And bismuth is a rare metal found in the Earth's crust, almost never occurring in the native state. It usually is associated with copper, lead, tin, silver, and gold ores. You can find bismuth in Arizona, actually. And it's actually in a lot of places, to be honest. This place like Maricopa County, where we live, Pima County, Yavapai County, just to keep things relevant, and many, many more. As you can see, it drops down to Tucson and north toward Vegas. These are kind of more of its natural states here, and you can see it kind of looks like pyrite, which I found interesting. It has that gold look to it. This is a synthetic in the lab, how they kind of get to it when they synthetically make in the lab. Here are my sources, and I just want to say thank you for watching, and hopefully you learned something today.